everybody, this is how this is gonna work. We've had too many people sign up for this competition because it's so damn cool. So I'm gonna draw 3 names out of this amazing new Savage A50. Those 3 people will compete. Everyone else, I'm sorry, you don't have a chance. Here we go, 3 names coming out. Thor Holmgren. All right, Thor, come on in. Stand right here. Thor's in. All right, 1 in. Stephen Sansbury. Oh, Stephen Sansbury's here. All right, last one, Kenneth S. All right, Kenneth S, there we go. There's our 3 competitors. Line up, gentlemen. All right, so you know the game. You got to assemble the Thor hammer for maker table. You have to weld at least 4 of the joints, but the more welds you do, the better. Choose your welding station, and they can start the battle. Everybody, ready, set, start. Welders, step away from your stations. This round of competition is over. All right, so short arc MIG. It's built in display mode on this side. Display hold mode. Okay, all right. Going to the next one. Look at that. Built-in hold mode. Built-in hold mode. Lots of, look at that. That's all those welds. All right, okay. Oh, okay, all right. Last one to judge. Okay. Built-in display mode that way. Okay. All right, okay. All right. All right, competitors, come on out here. So, the winner of our final Spark Wars competition, right here. Woo!